be a profitable day trader, you obviously need your green days to be bigger than your red days. So for me, I guess that means I got a lot of work left to do, huh? So welcome back to my day trading journey, and this time I combined week 5 and 6 into one video because I was going on a little New York trip, so I wasn't gonna record my trades while I was there. So we're just gonna quick fire those. And also there was a holiday on this Monday, so no trades on that day. Meaning if we cut those days out, it's basically like one long week with some extra content. And from the last time we have these goals, so let's just go. So starting off the week, and I saw the market open with a boom to the upside with these fat green candles. And after seeing potential for a good pullback here, I ended up entering long with 2 calls after seeing this green candle for more confirmation and was targeting the highs here. And we did end up hitting my target pretty quickly for a profit of $74. Then the market kind of just died and wiggled around at the highs. So I was just chilling and waiting for a clearer sign to trade. After waiting for like an hour or two, I saw the volume was still low-key dead and still wiggling around near the highs. So I just stopped for the day with a profit of $73.86. So pretty good for one trade. So quick day today. So I got in long with 2 calls a little early after seeing this fat red candle get rejected, but I should have waited until it closed because it didn't look too good now. However, buyers did eventually step in and the price was going up, so I eventually moved my stop loss up a little out of fear, but it was like the market could sense that shit. And yeah, price came back down and I sold for a loss of $10. And if I held my original stop loss, I would have hit my target and more. So I probably shouldn't have moved it without any logic at all. But the rest of the day was just boring, so I just got off, which leaves me down a little today of $10.14. So hopefully tomorrow is a little bit more exciting. So today was fucking trash, and I kind of was just being impatient and hopping on some garbage trades. So for the first one, I saw potential for a long when this red candle got bought up, so I entered in with 2 calls and was quickly wrong for a loss of $38. Next, I was hoping the market would shoot lower after seeing this fat red candle and potentially a lower high here, and entered in short with 2 puts. And after almost immediately being wrong, oh my god, bro, the selling pressure finally kicked in and almost broke through. But after seeing this get bought back up, I was a little sus and moved my stop loss down a little, and yeah, price came back up and kicked me out for a loss of $16. With the market just rolling around in this range, I probably should have just waited for a strong break to enter a trade or stop for the day, but I got impatient and tried to enter in short again with 2 puts here, hoping the range would break down. And nope, I was wrong and got hit with a loss of $32. So yeah, another boring day in the market, but this time I got impatient and lost $86.44. So my bad. Oh, and the market did eventually break the range and fall down, but I was fucking eating a burrito, so I didn't catch anything. Caught a little red-eyed in New York and managed to land in time to trade for the day. And since I didn't record anything, we're just gonna quick fire these. So first I got in short with 2 puts and ended up selling early when this candle was being bought up for a profit of $60. Then I got baited and went in short again, but lost $54. So in all, I was up $5.72 this day. Next day I hopped in short and then got fucking smacked in the face with a fat green candle for a loss of $48. Then I hopped in long on this pullback, but eventually sold early for a gain of $22 when it wasn't pushing through the highs and looked like it was gonna stall out. But I probably should have just held it because we did end up breaking through. And later I ended up back in long with 2 calls after seeing another pullback, and this time I got $44 on it. So in all, I ended the day up with $27.56. So in all, for this week, I was up a whopping $10.56. I also had a 30% win rate, which I'll take considering I might have been a little distracted while trading on my trip. But let's just move on to the next week. Today was my last day in New York, so quick recap. Let's see. I missed this early move down and then got impatient and earned some shorts here and here that both got smacked for a total loss of the day of $92.28. I stopped early here because it was my last day and I had stuff to do, you know? So my flight back kept getting delayed and I might have not slept enough, but I'm finally back home and with my setup, so time to trade. And for the first trade, I got in long with only 1 call after seeing this fat green candle and seeing sellers unable to push the price down right away. This was a little gambly, but after seeing this green hammer, it was looking kind of good until I moved my stop loss up a little and price tapped it for a loss of $16. And then a little bit later, I tried to enter short with 2 puts after seeing potential for a lower high with some signs of selling pressure increasing, but that got instantly ripped through and I couldn't catch a fill until I already lost like fucking $72 on this trade. Dude, it's not selling. It's selling. And yeah, if I held my first trade, I would have hit my target and been up for the day instead of down $88 in the first 30 minutes of market open. So yeah, I was pretty pissed and just stopped here for the day because I was already a little cranky from the lack of sleep and just overall being tired from my New York trip. With those 2 fat red days back to back this week, it's been rough, so time to win it back, right? Okay, yeah, for the first trade, I got in a little too early on this short with 2 puts, which made me put my stop loss a little low. So I eventually got stopped out here for a loss of $44. Next, I hopped in on this little pullback and set my stop loss a little tighter than usual because I was just scared. And yeah, price tapped my stop loss and got me out for a loss of $22. Then a few minutes later, price went my way and it did eventually hit my target. So fuck me, right? And in all, I was down $66.28 for the day and just stopped because I was sad. It's the last day of May, and I gotta lock in because we held it down this week. Today, I was just patiently waiting and was eyeing this potential pullback. I eventually did enter in short after seeing this fat red candle as confirmation and was looking for a quick move down, which I got and made $98, so huge win. I really needed that. Then I also saw another chance for a pullback, but it didn't come up to a level I wanted. But after seeing this small candle get shot down, I was convinced and entered in short, and this ended up being a quick ass move down to my target, so I got a quick $82. After taking these 2 quick wins, I kind of just celebrated my dubs for the day and stopped. I did end up leaving a lot of profit on the table because I guess the market was just dropping today, but at least I got something, you know. And I'm taking this $179.70 in profits, and I'm gonna go buy like a bag of chips or something to celebrate. Even with the last day being one of the biggest green days so far, I'm still down $67.08 for this week and only won 25% of my trades, so oops. But hey, at least it wasn't a full-on red week. Now, if we get the goals from the last video, I would say we didn't really succeed in any of them because I'm still impatient in trades. I'm also still a little scared of losing money, which does sometimes show by either me moving my stop loss for no reason or doing some other dumb stuff. So I'm gonna just take these goals for next week too, and hopefully June will be a better trading month because this month was kind of rough. But besides that, if you have been enjoying my progress, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. That's what people say, right? And yeah, see you next week.